Loisa Ramadhani from SDN Negeri 157 Palembang. The time is yours.
I'm really dreaming for the world we've got in mind. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To the honorable judges, teacher, and my lovely friends. What if I had 5 minutes to change your smile? Now, do not close your eyes or ears, but please pay attention to me. My name is Loisa Ramadhani. You can call me Loisa. I'm in 5th grade from elementary school number 157 Palembang. Today, I'm going to tell you about a wonderful story with the title, The Little Red Riding Hood. Let's start! Once upon a time, there was a little girl who lived in the village near the forest. Whenever she went out, she always wore a red riding cloak. So everyone in the village called her Little Red Riding Hood. One day, Little Red Riding Hood mother had some bad news. Red, where are you? Come here now. Yes, Mommy, what's wrong? Now your grandma say. Oh, poor grandma. Red, please take this food to your grandma, but remember, don't go a long way and don't talk to stranger. Don't worry, Mom, I will be careful. I got now, Mommy. Bye-bye. And then the Little Red Riding Hood in the forest, she forgot about her promise. She prays in the forest a long time. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy. Suddenly, a wolf appeared beside her. Ah! What are you doing in here, little girl? Oh no! Wolf! Don't worry, little girl, I'm a good wolf. Nice to meet you. Hi, wolf. Nice to meet you too. Where are you going, little girl? To my grandma's house. My grandma is sick. Where does she live? She lives on the other side of the forest. Okay, thank you, little girl. And then the wolf took a shortcut straight to Grandma's house. The wolf knocked the door of the Grandma's house. Toc, toc, toc. Who is it? I'm Little Red Riding Hood, Grandma. Oh my dear, come in, my dear. And then the wolf entered and hid the Grandma in a cupboard. A few minutes later, the Little Red Riding Hood knocked the door of the Grandma's house. Toc, toc, toc. Who is it? I'm Little Red Riding Hood, Grandma. I brought some food for you. Oh my dear, come in, my dear. But Grandma, why you have a big eyes? To see you better, my dear. But Grandma, why you have a big nose? To smell you better, my dear. But Grandma, why you have a big teeth? Because I want to eat you, my dear. Ha 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 ha. And then the Little Red Riding Hood realized the hungry wolf. Oh no! Wolf! Help me! The wolf wants to eat me! And then the Little Red Riding Hood ran outside and met a woodsman. Oh woodsman! Please help me! The wolf wants to eat me! Then the woodsman killed the wolf. The Little Red Riding Hood and the Grandma had survived. Oh woodsman, thank you very much, thank you. No problem, little girl. Thank you for listening. God bless you all. Wassalamualaikum